Okay, so this morning I want to do a video on a peterless boiler, better known as PB. Alright, so I came down here this morning. For some reason I wasn't getting no heat in the house last night. The boiler wasn't working. I know I kind of got oil late yesterday, so I don't know if the oil was a problem, but for some reason something just shut off and there was no heat throughout the house last night into this morning. I came and checked it out. Alright, so before I decided to call a boiler company, I figured out I'd do a little investigation on my own, try to figure it out on my own. Alright, so I came down this morning. See this display gauge right there saying 187. That's basically the temperature of the water that goes up in the house, and then it breaks down to various parts of the house, you know, giving you just the amount you want. You adjust it with the mixing valve in the top. Alright, now when I came down here this morning, there was a light, and also this little gauge right here. I get it really close. If you see one say lockout, there was a light saying lockout on it right there. Alright, then there's one saying self-test, and another one was saying flammable sensor. Alright, so I'm trying to figure out, because I doesn't know anything much about boiler, obviously. And I came down here. If you notice my finger right here, this little red button, touch it. When I touch it, I realized something was reset. The green light came on. Then the boiler kicked in. I'm like, damn. Okay, went back upstairs and the thermostat, adjusted the thermostat to like around 70, 75. Alright, and I realized, boom, there's heat. Saved myself a couple $100. Anyway, I came back down stairs one time and I kind of figured out certain things while I'm down here. So this is a pipe right here. You see a pipe on the ground, like a bent pipe, come around here. So this is where the oil comes in. And then this right here, this round thing right here is like a filter. So the oil goes into that. And then there's this flexible hose come down here that comes into the machine. Alright, so that keeps the machine nice and lubricated and, you know, to do whatever you need to do, obviously. Boom. Over here, it's an emergency shutoff valve. Right? And then right here is a gauge to tell you how much pressure that's in the machine, how much pressure that going out, you know, that builds up in the machine. Right? Over here, you see this top right here, this basically just like a drain line. You want to drain the boiler, you open this to drain it out. Alright? And then this piece of ductwork right here is basically an intake vent. What it does, it takes fresh air from the outside and it brings it on the inside, but just in that area to cool down the machine, just in case the machine runs hot. So if you see all the little holes and slot through here, when this is on, it's like it's nice and cool on the corner. So you keep the machine nice and cool so it's not overheated. Alright, over here, this pipe basically that goes out of the building. This right here, it's called a fire damper. Now, if this is closed, the boiler don't kick in. It always have to be like open in a sense. Alright, and then came up. Now, something that I noticed, or you don't really notice, that's a water tank right here. Alright, and I noticed there's a line from this line right here that comes up from the boiler straight into the water tank. What that does, it makes hot water over here, send it over here, and then it shoots it up in this pipe here, where it should go in various parts of the house. Alright, so I just learned something and I just wanted to share it with you guys. I hope you share this video. Thank you for watching.